Hello, knife noob here. As I said before, I was on hiatus for about 4 years from buying a knife. This actually was one of the knives I bought 4 years ago. The green, mine had a black blade on it, and I returned it way back when 4 years ago because for some reason I thought it was like a quick flipper out knife, and I had just bought my a small Sabenza, which is a thumb stud slow deployment, and this one is also. And when I received it, I'm like, wow, geez, it's not a flipper, but man, is it really, really nice? Is it? Holy smokes! A deep pocket clip carry. I mean, that's a plus. Frame. I mean, this blade. This blade shape and the way it's ground. Convex or something. It's not a straight V. It's rounded and then comes to a point. I mean, this is really nice. So I went to, well, here we go. So I went to, so I said, okay, hold on a second. I won't even fool around with it. I'll just leave it. So I said, okay, Mass Drop has these for $100. I'm thinking $100 for this. I paid $164 for mine. You could only get it like $136 other places. So for $100, and they had the green. They didn't have the black thing, but they had the green. So I'm like, yeah, I'm in. Because this knife, although it is a little bit slick, and it's not a flipping out fast, it's got deep clip, super cool frame. Most importantly, awesome blade. I love the blade. I mean, look at that thing is beastly and very efficient. I think that blade is just really, really cool. So for $100, I said, okay, I'll buy it. I know it's not a flipper, but I don't. And I see all the things they talk about, the Roto lock this, the Roto lock that. And I was thinking there's a way to avoid it, but now, if I go to close this, I didn't even. It's locked. Unlocked. Unlocked. Okay, so it's unlocked now. It's open. Now, oh, it worked that time. Oh, good. So I guess if you just, it's just like, I don't know, if I just go like this or something. Yeah, see, look, it's locked. And I wasn't, I mean, I'm just going like this. Oh, there it is. It seems to lock when I'm not wanting it to lock. Actually, I don't want it ever to lock. So if there's a way to keep it permanently unlocked, I would appreciate that. So if anybody knows how to fix that, let me know. Maybe even Lion Steel, let me know. I mean, jeez, this knife is, oh man. If you like 3-inch carries, sure it's not light. I'm gonna do a review on this knife because man, I really like this. This is a solid design, solid everywhere. Except this thing, just when I go to do it, then I go to open it. Oh, that time it opened all the way. But see, a lot of times, 1 out of 5 times, it won't open. It automatically locks, or even actually more than that. Most of the time, it's just when I go to get it. So, but man, a beautiful knife. I'm not sure if the probably could just get the Gonzo one. It would be just as good. I don't know. I never had a Gonzo, but man, this is a perfect deep clip. 3-inch right here. You don't even need the rest of your fingers. You get such a good grip right there. But then you could just wrap them around there and bam. Thick blade. Don't have to worry about chipping the edge so much because of the convex sharpening on there. But when you go to close it, even though you don't lock it, sometimes it locks automatically. You gotta unlock it, and then push it over. So, okay, thank you. Bye.